Hello and welcome to Learn to Meditate in 7 Days. My name is Cowen and I welcome you to this course. You want to learn to meditate and need a step-by-step guide? You want to take advantage of the health benefits that go within the practice? This course will help you with that for sure. In this course I listed 7 meditations for 7 days so that you are guided to get into the practice of meditation. On that step-by-step process, I'll guide you to focus on your breath, the activity of your mind, emotions, and more, so that you can fully relax and enjoy the health benefits of the practice of meditation. I also added free MP3s to the lectures of the course so you can practice whenever and wherever you want, independently and self-determined. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Udemy anytime. And now, enjoy the course!